Hey everyone, this is Trent. Now, I'm the CEO of an AI advisory firm. I am not a mental health therapist. But recently, when I posted on LinkedIn about my challenges with burnout, I had a lot of people reach out to me asking questions about how they could deal with it. Now, with my AI expertise, I thought, this is a good example to show how maybe ChatGPT or any AI can be used to support people on their mental health journey. And so I went and created an AI prompt that I'll demonstrate for you now to convert ChatGPT into your mental health therapist or just a supportful person. And so I'm going to demonstrate that. Now, before you get going, I'm going to demonstrate a couple other things. First, when you start, go up here to your settings and choose data controls. Make sure that it's turned to improve the model for everyone is off. This makes sure that your information is not going into the training model for OpenAI and ChatGPT. If you don't have this option, that means you're under a free plan. Ideally, you'd be able to move to a paid plan that has this confidentiality. If not, it's probably not a big deal, but something ideally you'd be able to do going forward. Now, after you've addressed that, what you'll do is just take the prompt from the LinkedIn post that I've made and put it in here. Now, I've already customized this one. It says, I'm the CEO of a company in the AI advisory industry. And then it goes on from there, asking ChatGPT to be a good mental support therapist using the cognitive behavioral therapy framework. Frameworks are super important with AI, and that's the one I think works best for most purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and just execute this just like this. And it's going to go back and confirm with me and ask me how I've been feeling lately. Now, from here, I can just continue with this. So what I'm going to do is say something like, I've been really stressed. And let's see what it says for a response. It says, stress can really take a toll. Tell me, what has been causing stress lately? And now from here, I can start to have a conversation with it and start to dive into some of the reasons that might be behind my stress or my burnout and see which direction it can go into. Now, as you do it, I think the real power of AI is to look at your conversations over time. So one thing I often recommend people do is to go up and rename their conversation here. And what I typically do is I put an asterisk in for the long running conversation. So I'm going to do that here and call it mental health. And that means as I work with my AI over time, I'll get a whole bunch of different conversations, but I can easily find those that are long running and I can come back and find them based on this asterisk. And so from there, I now have a person or an AI that can support me with some of my challenges. And I hope it is helpful for you. If you like this, go ahead and share it, post it. Thank you.